Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful friends listening at home or on the go. It is such a beautiful day to practice English together.
It really is, Paul. I'm feeling very relaxed today. How are you?
I am doing fantastic, thank you. I have my tea, I'm comfortable, and I am ready to chat.
That sounds perfect. I'm happy to hear that. And Emily, before we start our conversation, we have a small favor to ask our listeners.
Yes, we do. If you enjoy our podcasts, please click the like button. It is a small click for you, but it helps us a lot.
Exactly. And please subscribe to the Mr. English channel. We want you to join our family and share this episode with your friends. English is better with friends.
Yes, it is. Okay, Emily, you said you were relaxed today. Why is that?
Well, Paul, today I want to talk about a very peaceful topic.
Ooh, peaceful. I like peaceful topics. What is it?
Today, we are talking about life in a small town, specifically the daily routine, the community, and the neighbors.
Wow, that is a great topic. I love small towns. They're so different from big cities.
Yes, they are, Paul. Imagine you wake up in a small town. What is the first thing you hear?
Good question. In the city, I hear cars. I hear buses. Beep, beep.
Yes, the city is very loud. But in a small town, I think I hear birds.
Yes, you hear birds singing. You hear the wind in the trees. It is quiet.
That sounds wonderful. No stress, just nature.
Exactly. The morning routine in a small town is slower. You do not need to rush.
I hate rushing. I like to drink my coffee slowly.
In a small town, people often sit outside in the morning on their porch.
Ah, the porch. That is the front part of the house, right?
Yes, they sit, they drink coffee, and they watch the sun come up.
That is the best way to start the day. And then do they go to work?
Yes, they go to work, but the commute is different.
The commute. That is the travel from home to work.
Correct. In a big city, the commute is long. You sit in traffic for 1 hour.
Oh, I know. It is terrible. I get very angry in traffic.
But in a small town, Paul, you can often walk to work.
Walk to work. Wow, that is great exercise.
Or you drive for maybe 5 minutes. There's no traffic jam.
5 minutes. That is a dream. So you have more time.
Yes, you have more time for your life, and you have more time for people.
People? You mean the neighbors?
Yes, this is a big part of small town life, community.
I like that word, community. It means the group of people living together.
Exactly. In a small town, you know everyone.
Everyone? Really?
Well, almost everyone. When you walk down the street, you see faces you know.
That is nice. In the city, I see many people, but I do not know them. They are strangers.
Right. We walk fast. We look at our phones. But in a small town, you look at people and you say, "Good morning." "Good morning, Mrs. Robinson." "Hello, Mr. Miller."
Yes, exactly like that. And you stop, you talk for a few minutes.
What do they talk about?
Simple things. You talk about the weather, you talk about your garden, you ask, "How is your family?"
That is very polite. It makes you feel connected.
Connected. Yes, that is the perfect word. You are not alone. And Emily, I think neighbors in small towns help each other more. Is that true?
It is very true. Let me give you an example.
Okay, I'm listening.
Imagine you are cooking a cake, but oh no, you do not have sugar.
Oh no, a cake with no sugar is bread.
Exactly. In the city, you must run to the supermarket. It takes time.
Yes.
But in a small town, you walk to the house next door. You knock on the door and you ask the neighbor.
Yes, you say, "Hello, can I please borrow a cup of sugar?"
And they say yes. Usually yes, they are happy to help because next week maybe they need eggs.
I see. It's give and take. You help me, I help you.
Yes, that is a real community. People trust each other.
Trust is very important. Do people lock their doors in small towns?
That's an interesting question. In many very small towns, people sometimes leave their doors unlocked during the day.
Wow, that shows a lot of trust. They feel safe.
Yes, they feel safe because they know their neighbors are watching. It's like a big family.
It is. Now, Paul, let's talk about shopping in a small town.
Okay, shopping. Is there a big mall?
Usually, no, there's no big mall. There are small local shops.
Ah, like a bakery or a butcher.
Yes, small businesses. And the shop owners are your neighbors too.
So when I buy bread, I know the baker.
Yes, his name is probably Tom or Jerry.
Tom the baker. I like it.
And Tom knows what you like. He says, "Hello, Paul. Do you want your favorite bread today?"
That feels very special. In the big supermarket, nobody knows my name.
Exactly. It's personal. But there is a small negative thing.
Oh, what is the negative thing?
The shops close early.
Ah, in the city, shops are open very late, sometimes 24 hours.
Yes, in a small town at 6 p.m., everything is closed.
Everything?
Well, maybe not the gas station, but the bakery, the clothes shop, closed. So you must be organized. You cannot buy milk at midnight.
No, you cannot. You must buy it during the day. I think I can do that. It is a good trade for the peace and quiet.
I think so too. And speaking of peace, let's talk about the evening routine.
Okay, the sun goes down, the shops are closed. What happens?
It gets very dark.
Dark. Are there no streetlights?
There are some, but not many. In the city, it is always bright. There are lights everywhere.
True. Sometimes it is too bright to sleep.
In a small town, it is dark. You can see the stars.
The stars. Wow. I love looking at the stars. It is beautiful.
You can sit outside again. You can listen to the crickets.
Crickets. Those are the small insects that make noise at night. Chirp, chirp.
Yes, that is the sound of the country. It sounds very relaxing.
It is. And the air is different too.
The air? How?
It is fresh, clean. There is no pollution from thousands of cars.
Ah, yes, fresh air. You can breathe deep.
Oh, yes, it is good for your health. So, people in small towns, are they healthier?
Maybe. They walk more, they eat fresh food, they have less stress.
Stress is a big problem in the city. Everyone is running. Everyone is busy.
In a small town, busy is different. You are busy with your garden. You are busy with your family.
That is good busy.
Yes, it is. But Paul, small towns are not for everyone.
No? Why?
Because there are no big cinemas, no big clubs, no big events.
I see. If you like excitement and loud music, maybe a small town is not for you.
Exactly. It's a slow life. Some people love it, some people hate it.
I think I would like it. Maybe not forever, but for a vacation.
Yes, a vacation in a small town is a great idea. You can recharge your battery.
Recharge my battery. I like that expression. It means to get energy back.
Yes, rest and relax.
You know, Emily, there is one more thing about neighbors I want to ask.
Go ahead, Paul.
What about festivals or parties?
Oh, yes, small towns love festivals.
Really?
Yes, they have a strawberry festival or a pumpkin festival.
A pumpkin festival. That sounds fun.
It is. Everyone comes to the town square.
The town square, that's the center of the town.
Yes, they bring food, they play music, children play games. And because you know everyone, it's like a big party with friends.
Exactly. In the city, festivals are crowded. There are too many people. You cannot move, and it's expensive.
Yes, but in a small town, it's simple. Maybe you bake a pie.
A pie contest. I want to be the judge. I want to eat all the pies.
You would be a great judge, Paul.
Thank you. So small towns have fun too, but it's simple fun.
Yes, simple, honest fun. It connects people.
I really like this picture we're painting, Emily.
Me too. It sounds very cozy.
Cozy, that's a nice word. Warm and comfortable.
Yes, small towns are cozy. Emily, look at the time. We are chatting so much about pies and neighbors.
Emily, look at the time. We are chatting so much about pies and neighbors.
I know, time flies when we are having fun. It really does. But before we finish, let's just remember what we talked about today. It was a lot.
Good idea, Paul. Let's recap. Wait, Paul says good idea usually, but let's follow the flow. Good idea, Emily. Let's recap.
So we talked about the morning, how it is quiet.
Yes, no loud cars, just birds singing and coffee on the porch.
And we talked about the commute. No traffic jams, right? You can walk to work or drive very fast.
Then we talked about the most important thing, the neighbors.
Yes, saying good morning, knowing people's names, and helping each other, borrowing sugar.
And we talked about the local shops, Tom the baker, and finally the peace at night, the stars and the fresh air.
It sounds like a lovely life, doesn't it?
It really does. I feel calmer just talking about it.
Me too. So now we have a question for you, our listeners.
Yes, we want to know, do you live in a big city or a small town? And which one do you prefer?
Do you like the energy of the city or the peace of the small town? Please tell us in the comments. We love reading your stories about your home.
Yes, tell us about your neighbors. Are they friendly? Do you borrow sugar? We want to know. Writing comments is great practice for your English.
It is. Don't be shy. And please, if you liked this peaceful episode, subscribe.